Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Candy Crush Soda app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Candy Crush Soda app. Or just click on search. Then here at Candy Crush Soda, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it. You search here for Candy Crush Soda app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like it, subscribe.